Chef, autumn's arrived, looks like it.
Absolutely, yes. A proper introduction to autumn, actually, Nicola. So it was a nice start to the day, though, in the southern half of the region, but the rain was already beginning to set in the north, and I'm sure the plants were grateful for it, and some people too, because by the time we get to the end of the week, we're going to see some cooler nights. That's due to the winds turning to northerlies by the time we get to Friday, and there could be some frost as we head into the weekend, although it may mean you having to turn on the heating. But at least it is a proper dose of rain today, none of this namby-pamby stuff. We've got this frontal system across us. That's going to be moving southeastwards. In fact, it's practically out of the way now. And in tow, we've got some showers, quite potent ones, developing across the southwest and southern fringes of the region. But there's a lot of dry weather further north, a lot of cloud as well, some brighter breaks further north now that the rain is out of the way. But look at the temperatures, good deal lower than yesterday's values of 23 Celsius. In the south, we're still holding on to the heat there, 17 Celsius, but 13 in the north. And then as we head through tonight, we've still got more showers rattling in. The breeze is freshening up too, so we could see gusts of around 40 miles per hour by tomorrow and some heavy downpours locally, maybe even some longer spells of rain, but temperatures even a touch lower at around 12 to 14 Celsius.
OK, Shefali, thank you. And that's all for now. Mary Rose will be here on Midlands Today at 6:30 here on BBC One. So do join her then if you can. Have a lovely afternoon. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Shefali is here with her autumn dress on. We've gone full autumn colours, the two of us, haven't we?
Thank you very much, Mary.
How's it looking, Chef?
Oh, well, how are you all doing? It's been a miserable day today, really. It started off with the rain. And then gradually through the day, well, it started to dry up, but we were left with a good deal of cloud. And then the sunshine finally broke through towards the end of the day. But nevertheless, temperatures still managed highs of 17 Celsius, about 14 Celsius in the north of the region, which is about 6 degrees lower than yesterday's values. But those values are toppling even further as the week progresses. We've got highs of just around 12 Celsius by the time we get to the weekend. Weekend winds are also going to start to factor in, and that's going to make it feel even colder. And we've also got a touch of frost on the cards by the time we get to the end of Friday into the start of Saturday and probably over the weekend. But it is going to be drier after tomorrow. But the reason we've got quite unsettled conditions ahead of that is because we've got this convoluted system. Two fronts that are passing through, low pressure that's going to be dominating to the northwest, and that's going to draw in northerly winds as well by the time we get to Friday. So a lot of cold air plunging down from the north, and there's that wind chill factor to contend with as well. But through this evening and overnight, it's looking largely dry initially with clear skies, and then we've got this area of low pressure that's going to move in from the southwest, and you can see it's bringing in some fairly heavy rain. Now, that's one advantage. If you've been lacking rain recently, well, you're getting a good dose of it, and we could actually get some hail, possibly even the odd rumble of thunder in places. But temperatures are down to about 6 to 7 Celsius overnight, so it is a chilly one. It's a wet one as well, and a wet start to the day tomorrow. That rain will quickly make progress eastwards as that low pressure starts to move in that direction. But around that area of low pressure, we've got a few hefty showers. Again, the odd rumble of thunder not out of the question, and a good deal of sunshine in places, but equally a lot of cloud in others. But top temperatures of just around 14 Celsius tomorrow, and we could see gusts of around 40 miles per hour, so that's going to make it feel much colder than that. Looking further ahead then for Friday, that's the day when it's largely dry, but it will be cold.
Shefali, thanks very much. And that's for all for now. I'll be back with your late bulletin, 10:30. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.